welcome to this channel. Okay, we'll be looking at trigonometric substitution. Okay, and in this case, looking at integral of certain expression, and those expressions they are as follows. The first one is a squared minus x squared. The substitution will be x equal to what? 8 sine theta. This is that follows will be 1 minus sine squared theta equal to what? Cos squared theta. The second one is a squared plus x squared. So the substitution is x equal to what? 8 tan theta. And then the identity will be 1 plus tan squared theta equal to sec squared theta. And the range of value for theta in this place will be what? That's the range of theta. Likewise in this place also. The last one is reverse of this one, which will be what? X squared minus a squared. Okay, and the substitutions will be what? Will be x equal to a sec theta. That will be the substitution in that case. And then the identity that conform to this, you can use that's a sec squared theta minus 1 is equal to what? Equal to tan squared theta. Yeah, we have this question. Find the value of integral of square root of 4 minus x squared. Based on the table, don't forget this is 2 squared minus what? Minus x squared. So we're going to make it what? Next what? X will be equal to what? This is 2 squared. We take one of that, 2 what? Sine theta. That's the first on the list in that in the table. So then you differentiate respect to theta. So we have the x is equal to what? 2 cos theta d theta. Then the next thing to do now is to begin to substitute into the given question. So we now have now the square root of what? 4 minus my x is what? 2 sine theta. Can you square that? So we have this. Then the x is what? The x is 2 cos theta d theta. Okay? Then we now have now, this will be 4 sine squared theta. So we have 4 minus 4 sine squared theta. Can you factorize that? 4 is common. You can take the 4 outside. So we have 1 minus what? 1 minus sine squared theta. So, and don't forget from the table also, from the identity, 1 minus sine squared theta is what? Is cos squared theta. So you're now taking what? Square root of this cos squared theta, which will give you what? 2 cos theta. So square root of 4 is 2. Square root of this is cos theta. So we now have now 2 cos theta times what? 2 cos theta d theta. Okay? 2 times 2, that's 4. You can take it outside the integral. Then we have what? Cos squared theta d theta. Then you can use the double angle for this. Don't forget cos 2 theta is equal to what? 2 cos squared theta minus what? Minus 1. Can you make this one the subject? We have cos squared theta will be equal to what? 1 over 2 into bracket what? 1 plus what? Cos 2 theta. So that's what we have now. Then this will be equal to what? 4 times what? 4 times integral of what? Half times 1 plus what? Cos 2 theta. Then we can bring this out half. This half can be outside, and that will be 4 times half, and that's 2 integral of 1 plus what? 1 plus cos 2 theta d what? D theta. Don't forget also the theta here. Then on the final note, integrate this. Integral of 1 respect to theta, that will be theta. This will be what? Integral of cosine, that was the sine of the function, and then you divide by the derivative of the inner function. You can open the brackets, okay? And that will be equal to what? Equal to 2 theta plus sine 2 theta plus what? Plus c. Okay? So if you check the question, theta wasn't in the question initially. Our function is what? Is x. So we have to return everything back. Yeah, theta came in through what? Through substitutions. We're going to have from here, sine theta will be equal to what? X over 2. Then theta will be equal to what? Arc sine x over 2. Okay? Can we get the other? We want to get the other trig ratio because we are going to split this one down. Sine 2 theta is what? 2 sine theta cos theta. So let's get the other trig ratio. Sine theta is what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Then we can get this place. So this place will be what? Will be 4 minus what? Minus x squared. In that case now, cos theta will be what? Adjacent, which is what? 4 minus x squared. Square root of 4 minus x squared over 2. So that's that. Okay. Then we can now go back to our answer. The integral of the question of this will now be equal to. The answer is what? Our answer is 2 theta, which will be what? 2 theta is arc sine x over 2, then plus sine 2 theta. Don't forget your identity. Sine 2 theta is what? 2 sine theta cos theta. So we can put that one there. That's 2 sine theta cos theta plus what? Plus c. So let's now substitute for what? Sine theta and what? And cos theta. So the final answer will be equal to what? Will be this plus 2. My sine theta is what? Is x over 2. Then cos theta is what? Square root of 4 minus x squared over 2 plus what? Plus c. So here, this one we cancel. So I have what? I have this one. That is that on this question. Okay, please kindly click on the watermarks and begin to subscribe right now. Okay, if you are new on the channel. And then if you are a returning subscriber, begin to type your comments, click on like button, and begin to share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Begin to do that right now. Thank you for that. Questions still continue. We're still on what? Trigonometric substitution. Please join the question. The next question, question 2.